Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, today is the 24th of August and my software is giving me a buy signal. Let me just set to take profit. So that's a system A buy right there. And yeah, let me just close the alert. So we're moving into profits very quickly. As you can see, remember we started this account with $250. We've been scalping it for the past 4 months. Okay, we've made over $10,000 in withdrawal and we've made over $45,000 in profit so far. All right, last profit we made was $185. We made that in less than 40 seconds. I think you watched the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And if you want to buy the course to learn how to take this scalp trades, I'll be live with you. You will get the software for free once you get the course. We'll be taking live trades, system A trades, system B trades, scalping trades. We'll be taking live swing trades, and we'll be taking live hedging also on a live account and everything. All you have to do is go to hedgingmastermind.com, and yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Also, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram, and you'll be able to join. All right, guys, and we're back. We've made over $190 profit from that scalp trade. That's how it goes. In less than 3 minutes, we're able to make that profit. That's how fast scalping should be. In and out, in and out, in and out. Remember, if you want to test my software for free for 2 weeks, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about testing my software. And if you want to get the course after, you can get that also. If you want to learn how I did this, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and also make sure to send me proof of WhatsApp on Telegram when you either join the broker to copy my trades or you want to test the software. With that being said, we'll be right back when we're into more trades in the market. See, the market is still going up. We'll be right back with another scalping or trading or swing trading or long scalp video when we're into more profits next. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bells on, and make sure you write a comment for the algorithm. We'll be right back soon.